Hello! Now it's time to boost a Facebook post. Boosting a Facebook post means that you can advertise on Facebook. It can be easily done if you're admin, moderator, editor, or advertiser on your Facebook page. But remember, boosting a post is less detailed than creating an ad from Ads Manager. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's boost the post. First, log into your Facebook profile, then proceed to your Facebook page. In the lower right corner, you have a blue Boost Post tab. Click on that. Now let's go over the details. Goal. It can be automatic, but sometimes it's good to change it to get more website visitors, messages, engagement, leads, and calls. Button. You can always go with a no button option, but if you're a hotel or airline company, you can add the Book Now button. Learn More leads you right to your website. Shop Now is handy for online shops, and the other options on the table are Sign Up, Send Message, and Send WhatsApp Message. So, choose the one you prefer. Special Ad Category. Be careful with this part. If you're promoting credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, be sure that you check the specific box. If you don't, there can be a problem and Facebook can ban you from promoting your ads. If you check this box, check up the audience one more time, if it's adjusted the way you want it. Clearly there are some limits and boundaries regarding this part. Audience. Part where you can create your audience if they're not in a special ad category. As shown on screen, you can create your own audience. Show ads just to people that liked your page, especially when you want to address them directly, grant them some special discount, and so on. People who like your page and their friends. It's a good way to communicate with a wider but still specific audience. People in the local area. If you have a bakery or a small business that is vital for some local area, then use this audience. You can use the audience you already created by clicking on its name. By clicking on Create New, the first thing you should do is choose a name that will tell you exactly what kind of audience it is. You're choosing gender if you want to target people with special products and offers, so choose the right age between 13 and 65 plus. Know your target group before starting to create your audience. Type the location name, state, country, city, municipality, or just the street. Or you can just drop the pin and choose the range in kilometers or miles. Detailed targeting gives you the opportunity to choose among lots of interests. For example, jewelry lovers, sailing, health, truck drivers, by demographics, interests, or behaviors. Each category has its own subcategories, so take a slow and smart search. You're choosing your target group according to the goal you want to achieve. If it's a brand awareness, choosing a wider audience can be really useful. If you're addressing people who like makeup and you have a small shop in a neighborhood, choose people who like beauty tips, makeup, or lifestyle. Duration. You can choose the exact number of days, boosting end date, and total budget. Facebook will instantly show you estimated daily results, reach, and engagement, but remember, estimated. Goal, repeating, more of a checklist. Placement, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Where would you like your ad to be shown? Check the desired ones. You don't have to have an Instagram profile in order to promote your post there. Facebook Pixel. Choose whether you would like to use it or not. For more information on that, check out our How to Create Facebook Pixel video. Payment method. Be sure that you're using the right card. Wink. But you can always change it later on. See all previews. At any time, you're able to see how your boosted post will look like on platforms. At the very end, click on Boost Post Now. Sometimes though, posts can't be boosted. Clicking on the button, you'll see the reason why is that not possible. Sometimes it's the cover page, sometimes you're just banned from boosting, and so on. Well, that's all from me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.